I'm sitting here with all of this, and honestly, part of me is a bit frustrated. If result-based cleaning makes this much sense, why didn't anyone tell me sooner?
I said exactly the same thing when I first figured this out. Looking back, it was easy to see, and that made it even more frustrating.
Fair enough. But now I feel I have to undo all those years of contracts and habits and supplier relationships. That's not a small thing.
You don't have to undo anything. I didn't either. You start by understanding what's actually happening.
What do you mean?
The first step is to look honestly at the current situation, not to assign blame, but to name the gaps clearly. Let's start with a simple question. Is everything really clean? Or cleaned are only the surfaces that are listed in the schedule? For example, the tops of cabinets. Are they being cleaned? Or are they simply left out because they are not within the scope of work? Often the problem is not people, but how the work has been defined. And if we don't name that clearly, we can't change anything.
Okay, audit first. That I can do.
The second step is agreeing on what clean actually means, not just for you, but for everyone involved. Your supplier, the cleaning staff, the people who use the spaces every day. If everyone has different picture in their head, the same space will never feel clean to all of them.
That's shared language you kept talking about.
Exactly. And the third step, the one people most often skip, it's committing to ongoing communication with your service provider. Not a one-time meeting where you sort everything out and walk away. A real continuous working relationship where you review results together and both take responsibility for the outcome.
That sounds less like a contract and more like a partnership.
That's exactly what it is. And honestly, once you get there, it makes the job a lot easier.
And if I do those three things, I don't have to start over, but I can keep going. But smarter.
You were never doing it wrong. You were doing the best you could with the tools you had. Now you have better ones.
All right, let's do this.